Question 1. We will try to evaluate this question. This question involves two fractions, dividing, and some negative indices. We will deal with this problem one by one. Firstly, let's get rid of those negative indices. Here, there's -2, and here, there's -2. We can get rid of the negative index by swapping around the denominator and numerator. So, on the second line, let's kill the negative index. By doing so, we swap around the 16 and 9. And we copy the divide sign. We also do the same thing to the second number. So we get rid of the negative index and at the same time swap the denominator and numerator. Now, the second thing to get rid of is the divide sign. We copy the first number exactly the same. Here, if we change this divide sign into multiple sign, we also swap the numerator and the denominator. Now, what we do is to simplify the problem. You don't really want to multiply out 16, 26, 64. They are a huge number. So what we can do is to write them in the index form. Now, 16 is in fact 4 square. 9 is in fact 3 square. So if we rewrite them in the simpler form, now 27 is a factor of 3. We can rewrite 27 as 3 to the power of 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. We can also rewrite 64 as 4 to the power of 3, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Don't forget the square. Now, to multiply out the bracket, we can multiply out the bracket by multiplying the indices together. And remember, every object in the index will receive this power. So 4 will become 4 to the power of 4. 3 will become 3 to the power of 4. You see, 2 times 2 makes 4. Now, here, both these two will receive this power of 2 as well. So, we'll get 3 to the power of 6 because 3 times 2 makes 6. Now 3 times 2 also makes 6. Here, we can further simplify because on the top and the bottom we have a base number which are the same. So this 3 to the power of 6 and 3 to the power of 4 can cancel. You see, we have 6 of the 3 at the top as 4 of the 3 at the bottom. So after cancelling out, the top is going to win, because 6 versus 4, we will have 2 left behind at the top. So if we kill these 2, and we have a 3 square left on top. Now, if we kill these 2, we have 4 square at the bottom, similar to the previous cancellation, because 4 on top, 6 at the bottom this time, so 2 left at the bottom. Now if you evaluate 3 square, you have a 9, and if you evaluate 4 square, you have a 16, and that would be the answer to this question.